Okay, so what we got here is a Emerson Northwind Ceiling Fan. Got this off Marketplace for free because the fan pull chain was snapped. I was able to fix it without buying a new pull switch, so yeah. It's kind of an abomination right now because I don't have any matching parts for the finish it is in, so sorry about that. Here's a light. These globes came off my Springfield. This light kit came off my Builder's Best. And the mounting hardware came off my Encon Princess. And here's a low speed. Yeah. Really like this fan. It's either a Northwind or a Summer Night. People have been saying it's a Summer Night. I don't really know. I've seen, I think that the Northwind is an indoor fan and the Summer Night is an outdoor fan. What makes me think this is a Northwind is it has like vents on the top, and I don't think a outdoor fan would have vents on the top or water would get in, so I think it's a Northwind. Here's the light. Here's medium. Really like the vents, the Landmark 3 or Panama vents, as some call it. Moving a pretty good amount of air on medium. I wish I had better mounting hardware for this fan. I just can't find anything. So, yeah. Here's the light. Here's high speed. A little wobbly, but not too bad. Moving a really good amount of air. It's a little wobbly. It's moving a really good amount of air. It's the Emerson logo. Here's the light. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.